Hello friends. Today I will show you 7-day formula for long and thick eyelashes growth. Do you want to grow longer eyelashes? Enhance the beauty of your eyes with longer, thicker, and darker lashes. If your lashes aren't naturally long and thick, don't worry. You can promote lash growth using natural ingredients. Here's the best solution for lash growth. Ingredients you'll need: aloe vera gel, almond oil. Procedure: 1. Take a bowl and add half a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. 2. Then add 5 to 7 drops of almond oil. 3. Mix these ingredients to create a blend. 4. Your homemade serum for growing long and thick eyelashes is ready for use. How to use: first, wash your hands. Take this mixture and massage your lashes for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Start by massaging from top to bottom and then from bottom to top in the eye area. Massage for 5 minutes and then leave it overnight. Wash the eye area with cold water in the morning. Within 7 days, you'll achieve long, dark, and thick eyelashes. This serum promotes the natural growth of your lashes, helping you achieve longer and thicker lashes naturally. The preparation is 100% safe and chemical-free. So, if you want enhanced eye beauty, follow this simple procedure and quickly attain attractive eyes with long, thick, and dark lashes. Share it with your friends too.